Hey YouTube, how are you guys doing today? Garage Boys here, back at it again, helping our community straight from Houston, Texas. Today we're working on a 2005 Ford Expedition. My friend here is having issues with it. I'm gonna let him walk you through the issue, and we solved it. I know this is gonna help everybody on the internet. Please share this video so that you can help other people. We're doing this just to help people, and I'm sure this is gonna save you a lot of money. But go ahead, walk us through your issues.
All right, we got the 05 Expedition with the 5.4 liter motor, and what we've been experiencing with this was a lot of stalling issues, loss of power, little delay on the first shift, basically turning off at the red lights whenever the idle is low. It was happening very frequently, very annoying problem, very common. If you Google the issue with the Expedition, it seems that a lot of people are going through it, and they'll recommend stuff like changing the camshaft position sensor, things of that nature, which I also did. And then continuing to investigate the issue, one of the tips was that this AC pipe over here that you see, there will oftentimes be cables that are laying on it, and it'll get so cold that it'll burn through the cables and causing a short.
Okay, so yeah, here by the battery, when you open the hood, this is the 5.4. Here you have this AC pipes. They get really hot or cold. And our issue was that the cables were touching right there where you can see that little black right here. It's a black little zone because the cable was kind of melting there. What we did is we just zip tied it, and now we've moved it to the side, and we went on and did the same thing with different other cables, and we're gonna show you which cables are those. And this solved our issue. It's been day 25 with no symptoms and no issues and no stalling. Something that was happening every single day. So this is the main one right here. It was touching, like I said, the AC piping right there. Then we had here coming from the alternator, this cables right here. We're touching this pipe, which gets really hot, so we also zip tie those to the side. Those were the two main ones that really solved our issue. Just the alternator cables coming here, they were touching here, and we just zip tied them. And then we had this one, so we zip tied them to the side. Whatever other cables you see that may be touching any pipes, just make sure that they're not, and that they're fine. And that solved our issue. My friend here took the vehicle to the mechanic, and they wanted to change the camshaft position sensor. They quoted him a bill of like about $700-800, which tune up and everything. They're just diagnosing different problems.
Like a fuel pump is going out, stuff like that.
Yeah, one mechanic told him it was the fuel pump because those are kind of the symptoms. It'll just randomly turn off. You'll have a hard time starting. No, not a hard time, but randomly turning off.
It does give a hard time starting. It doesn't start right away. Yeah, definitely. Just stalling issues. A big giveaway is the cables. There'll be some damage to them. Like this one has a plastic jacket. I don't know if you guys can see. It's kind of tough, but the plastic jacket was burnt off right exactly where the cable was laying on this little pipe here. So I guess the exposed wire really was doing it.
So that's it, guys. I hope this video helped you. Please subscribe and like it, and share it with your friends. And if you know of anybody that has this issue, just let them know. I mean, it doesn't hurt nothing for trying, right? It's like a 20-cent fix. Just tie the cables to the side. It won't cost you anything. So just give it a try. I'm sure it will help you. And let us know in the comments below if it did help you or not. And like I said before, please subscribe. Before you spend any more money or invest anything on it, just try this, and I'm sure it's gonna help. Thanks for watching, guys. As always, here to help.